In today's video, I'm going to show you how to rewind the string on an 80-volt bad boy string trimmer. I'm going to make sure there's no string left in the spool, and to do that, you need to press the button down here and on this other side and pop this cover off. So we're going to press this one in here. These are a little bit tough. Push it in, push this other side in. Then this top will pop off. And we can confirm that there's no string left in here. So we're going to slot this back on. Clicks into place. Then on the top of the spool here, you see a green line on this side and a green line over here. Also has the word load. To load the string line, make sure you turn this head here until this green line lines up with the holes on the side here and the green line, so turn this around. When you're getting close, push down on the spool with them lined up. See the green line here is lined up here. Take your 0.095 string line that's 15 foot long and thread it through. There are a couple of arrows on the top right here. Aim for that, push it through, and you'll see it coming to the other side. See, coming out there. Now pull it until you have an even amount on the left-hand side as you do on the right-hand side. Now we have an equal amount on both sides. We're going to hold the base steady over here, and then we're going to turn this clockwise. You'll see the string line start to pull in. You'll hear some audible clicks. Just turn past that, and it'll start to rewind in. And that's how you rewind the string on a bad boy string trimmer.